Hi everyone, in the previous video I am talking about external and the middle ear, and today I am talking about the inner ear. So it is a soft whitish structure and it has many parts, and the soft membranous part is known as membranous labyrinth and it is placed on the bony labyrinth. Say this is a membranous labyrinth, and here is a bony structure, that is bony labyrinth, and in between the membranous and the bony labyrinth there is a fluid present which is much more similar to the cerebrospinal fluid, and this fluid is known as perilymphatic fluid or perilymph. This membranous labyrinth is made up of three parts. The first part is vestibule, and the second part is semicircular canal, and the third part is cochlea. The vestibule is a sac-like structure, and in the vestibule there is a sensory structure is present, is called macula. Each ear has three semicircular canal, and they also have sensory structure which is known as crista. And cochlea is the part which is responsible for hearing. And vestibule and the semicircular canal help in balancing and also the equilibrium of the organs. So these two parts help in balancing. Mainly the macula and the crista help in balancing. So now come to the vestibule part. It has a two sac-like structure. So I am drawing this. Here is a bigger one, and here is a smaller one. And the bigger one is known as utriculus, and the smaller one is known as sacculus. And utriculus and the sacculus are interconnected by a narrow duct. So this is a narrow duct, and this duct is called utriculosaccular duct. And from this utriculosaccular duct arises one more narrow duct, and this leads in the sac-like structure, and this sac is filled with endolymph. As it is filled with endolymph, that is why it is called as sacculus endolymphaticus, and the duct is called ductus endolymphaticus. In utricles and in the saccules there is a presence of macula, and in the utricle this macula is called as, I am writing here, macula utriculi, and sacculus this is called as macula sacculi. And now come to the semicircular canal. Now attached to this utricles there is three semicircular canal and they are perpendicular to each other. According to their position they are called superior, posterior and lateral one. Let me draw. At the end there is a ampulla, swallowing part, which is called ampulla, and from this the anterior semicircular canal is arise and this part is known as ampulla. And the posterior canals, here is the ampulla positions and it also open here and attached with the anterior canal. So there is in the anterior canal and the posterior canal is a common duct. As you can see, this is the anterior semicircular canal and this is the posterior semicircular canal, and the two canals open into a common duct and this duct is known as crus communi. And here I am drawing about the lateral canal also. Here is the ampullary part, which is the swallowing part, and this will open into this. It is the end part and it is the ampullary part. And each canal you can see that has an ampullary part. Three canals have three ampullary part at the one end. And now come to the cochlear part. It is a coil structure. So it is a coil structure, but this cochlea is connected with the sacculus. This cochlea is connected with the sacculus with the help of a small duct, and this duct is known as ductus reunions. I hope you will understand the structure of the inner ear. Thank you so much for watching, and hit the like button if you like this video and share to your friends. Thank you so much.